As an author, speaker, coach, or entrepreneur, you know how important it is to attract the right people for your offer. You may have created a lead magnet or at least have something in mind, but how do you set it up? This is the tech piece that so many people get stuck at. But no worries. In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you how to set up your lead magnet. Hey, I'm Vanessa Collins. I am a publishing coach and certified digital marketing strategist, and I teach people how to print money using their knowledge. Now, if you have written a book or you have products or services like workshops, coaching programs, online courses, you have already started the process, loaded the printer, so to speak, to be able to print money from your knowledge. However, now comes the hard part. You have to find the right people to present those offers to. These are people who have the problem that you solve and are willing to pay for a solution to that problem. Once you have found those people, then you can present your offer. Now, oftentimes we use a lead magnet to attract our target audience. Now, if you missed my video on list building for authors, make sure you check it out. The link is in the description and the show notes. Once you've created your lead magnet, then you have to work your tech magic to set it up. So let me take you behind the scenes of me setting up a lead magnet. All right, so we are going to set up a landing page for a lead magnet. And lead magnet landing pages typically are very simple because you have already done the work, done the marketing to send them to this page. So all they're looking for is how to sign up for whatever it is that you are promoting. Now, this is a landing page for an old lead magnet. We have done a new one, but I will be using this landing page as kind of a model. Now, I am building this on my WordPress website. This is kind of the back end of my WordPress website, but you can build a similar type funnel in a third-party software on your website. You can do it in a ton of different ways. So we're going to just really cover quickly the different elements that you need. Now, I use GetResponse for my email marketing, but again, you can use ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, Keep, whatever it is that you're using. You should be able to follow along to see how to set this up. Now, I also have this is the lead magnet. So, this is the new lead magnet that I'm setting up. I did this in Word, very simple document. This is a little cheat sheet that talks about 7 simple funnels you need in your business. And what I plan to do is some live stream videos where I will be talking about each of these different funnels. And my lead magnet will be that they can sign up and get this cheat sheet. So as I'm talking about it, I'm going to say something to the effect, I know that you guys want to jot this stuff down. You don't have to jot it down. I have my notes, I have my cheat sheet, and I will share that with you. And I'll give them the link, and they will come over to a page like this, sign up, and then they will get an autoresponder that gives them this document. If you're using something like GetResponse, you can actually upload your documents there. I have my documents in Amazon S3, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it here. But if you are using, typical platforms, you usually can upload documents there. If not, you can upload them to your website. I really don't recommend it because most people have shared hosting, and you don't want that type of bandwidth traffic on your website. It's easier to have it on a third party. All right, so I am going to load up my lead magnet in my bucket. Amazon S3 is one of the cheapest places to upload your content for videos and all of that. However, it is not the most user friendly. It absolutely is not, but it is so much cheaper than a lot of the video storage places that's out there. All right, so we have that uploaded, and let me copy that URL, and I'm gonna come over here. I keep a launch document for all of the launches that I do, and in it I am able to keep all of my links and plan out my emails and all of that good stuff. So this link actually goes here. This is going to be link for lead magnet, right? And I will be putting that here. This is the autoresponder. So I'm going to put the link here that they will click and they will be able to download the document. All right, so I have that link in. So we're going to go first to GetResponse. The first thing I want to do is create a list. All right, so I'm going to create a list, and this list is going to be my seven simple funnel, and usually I just put LM lead magnet. All right, so that is my list. Now, for this list, I need an autoresponder, and I'm also going to need a form. That will be this form that when people fill it out, they'll automatically go on this list. And then I need to connect an autoresponder to this list that tells GetResponse. Anyone that gets on this list, they automatically get this email that delivers the lead magnet. I'm going to go ahead and set up that autoresponder. So here in GetResponse, I just go to the three dots, show autoresponder. It's going to show me nothing because we don't have one set up. So we're going to go ahead and set it up. Now, if you're using a different system, you need to look and see how you can set up an autoresponder and automation. It's called different things in different systems, but hopefully this will get you pointed in the right direction. So I'm just going to call this 7 simple funnels, uh, lead magnet, welcome. And nobody sees this, so this is just for you to know. What list is this linked to? Well, this is linked to my 7 simple funnel uh, list. So anybody that gets on that list gets this email. I want it sent on day 0, which means as soon as they sign up, they get the email. I have my from address subject line. I'm going to come over here to my handy dandy document here. And I'm just going to grab it again and come over here and put my whole title in. And there's other things you can do. You can have their name pop up. Sometimes that's good. Excuse me. Sometimes it's not. All right, so we're going to set up our email. I'm going to actually use the blank template. I usually just copy a different message, but For some of you that may be new to GetResponse and you're looking at how to do this, I'm going to do this here. I just turned off the logo stuff because I am going to um, I'm going to put an image here. And the image I'm going to add is, I actually did an image for the offer that I have. So that is the image that I'm going to put up here. Now let me see. I think it's in here. Let me change this. Yeah, so I'm going to actually put this image here. All right, and then we're going to just add a text box, and I'm going to grab my email here. Giving them the prices here. Now, this offer is a little different than what I typically do. Usually, I send them to a landing page. This time, I'm actually sending them to my calendar. I want to have a conversation with them because this offer may not be good for everyone. So I don't want people to pay money, pay a particular price for the funnel, and then I talk with them and find out that we're not really a good fit for whatever it is they're trying to do. So this gives them an idea of the cost. I want them to know that before they get on my phone. So this gives them an idea of the cost. And then when we have a conversation, it's not so much a sales conversation. They already know how much it is. This is really to see if we are a good fit for them. All right, so I want to make sure I bold this because this is a limited time offer. All right, so that is that. We're going to hit next. And we have everything here. I do want to track my links in Google Analytics, and I have all that set up already. So we're going to hit save and publish. So that part is done. Now, before I do the form, I'm actually going to jump over here to my website, and I am using, like I said, WordPress with the Divi theme. And one of the things that I love about Divi is just how easy it is to use. I'm also using a plugin that allows you to duplicate pages. So I am going to duplicate this page and then make the changes. So I'm going to upload this. And then when I post this page online, this is the image that will come up. I'm going to close that. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to say save draft. Now I need a thank you page, and that is the page that people will see once they fill it out. And if you remember, I need to put this page on the form. I am going to duplicate this form. Now we're going to publish this and I'm going to grab it and then come back over here. Now did I grab yep, so copy that. Come over here to code. And we're going to take that out and put the new one in. Click OK. Let's update and preview the changes. All right, so we are going to hit update. Now, the last thing we need to do is test it. So I have this. Here's the link. And let me copy that link. Now you can bit.ly this link. You can use PrettyLinks if you want. Let me go to the right thing here. Come back up to the landing page. I am going to use PrettyLinks for this. And so I'm going to come over here. And let me go back to my dash line or my dashboard. And so what PrettyLinks allows you to do is you can rename any link to your website.com/whatever. All right, so what I'm going to do for this, I'm going to let me put the target link here. And then this is going to be my 7, you know what? We're gonna just copy it. All right, so we have copied that. That's the link. And then our pretty link is gonna be, I think I'm gonna just call it 7 funnels. All right, and click update. So the link that I'm going to give when I am marketing this and I'm speaking on social media, instead of telling people to go to this really long thing of, digitalmasteryacademy.com/7 dash simple dash funnels dash, I can just tell them digitalmasteryacademy.com/7 funnels. Boom. And it goes to the page. Now I'm going to put my name in. Vanessa Collins, LLC.com. Hit submit, and we get our thank you page. That's our thank you page. And we have both links here. We're going to click the button, and it should go to my calendar. Awesome. Now, last thing, we want to check and make sure we got our email. And there we are. Here's our autoresponder. And we want to click here, and it goes to our document that they can download. Now that it is set up and tested, you can start promoting it. Now, how do you do that? You must talk about it in your book, live stream, video, clubhouse, social media. Teach from that PDF and use that PDF as your free gift. When you are speaking on a summit or a podcast, offer it as a free gift. You can even run paid ads to it. The point is, you have to now get out there and talk about that problem that lead magnet solves so that you can get people on your list. But remember, getting leads is great, but it does not add to your bottom line. What paid products or services are you offering them? If you haven't, make sure you watch my special workshop planner video where I share 7 powerful tips for creating a profitable workshop.